Hello everyone, it's Mina Estefanous. I'm a surgical trainee from Egypt. I've been preparing for entering the exam MRCS Part A for a long period, and after after a big search, I found Dr. Reda course. I can declare it clearly. It's the best course out there. It's Dr. Reda and his team are very helpful, very supportive, available 24/7. You can ask them anything and everything. They are always responsive, always helpful, and resourceful. The course is really useful. You have all the data, all the material. They provide everything you need. You don't need to go for anything but follow their schedule and their timeline. Dr. Reda is someone who's very, very professional and very, very helpful on the personal basis. He's really a great surgeon to deal with and to get science from him. He mentioned it multiple times that he's not just preparing you to pass the exam, he's preparing you to be a surgeon, to be a good surgeon. And he's really good for that, and he's really professional in this. I recommend Dr. Reda's course for everyone who is considering MRCS. Highly, highly recommended. Best of luck.